Hey, what is up guys? John here at Tekmogo, back with another video. Today I've got something different, but kind of the same. These are the Achoice F1 true wireless earbuds. Now you can pick these up on Amazon, and I'll put links in the description in case you want to check them out. Just a heads up, the Amazon link is an affiliate link, so if you use the link to make a purchase, I'll receive a small commission and you help support the channel at no additional cost. It's very much appreciated. Alright, so in this video, we'll unbox these, check out the features and specs, check out the build quality, check out how they fit, and more importantly, see how they sound. And I'll let you know what I think of them. So Achoice did send these out to me, so big shout out to them for doing that so I can review these. Just a heads up though, they had nothing to do with this video. Everything I say is all on me. And if there's something I don't like about the earbuds, I'll let you know. And if I feel that they're not a good pickup, I'll let you know. Alright, so the earbuds come in this white box with very minimal branding. You've got some pictures of the earbuds right there front and center. You've got a barcode on the bottom. It says Bluetooth noise cancelling 6 mic ANC for iPhone Sport, and on the back you've got a picture of the case with the earbuds inside. On the bottom it says Fit Polo F1. I believe Fit Polo is the parent company of Achoice, and it looks like they are based out of Germany. Okay, so let's open up the box and see what we get inside. First thing, we get the earbuds, and we get a charging cable, which is a USB-A to USB-C, and then we've got extra ear tips, small, medium, and large, medium installed from the factory, and we get a user manual. So the case is made out of a hard plastic, which is all white. The case feels similar to the Apple AirPod case, except these are much lighter. On the front here, you've got 4 LED lights that shows the battery life. And on the bottom here, you've got your USB-C port for charging. So the case is magnetized, so they're gonna keep the earbuds nice and secure. And the lid has a strong snap, so you know that'll stay closed, keep everything secure. So the earbuds are also made out of hard plastic, just like the case. The texture is the same. That's smooth, kind of slick, so you're gonna want to watch out when you're holding these. You don't want them slipping out of your hands. On the bottom here, you've got your charging pins, and on the inside of the buds on the stem, they've got your left and right decal, so you know what side of the ear they're for. And as always, I like these little touches, these little decals like this. It just makes everything look more premium. So as far as durability goes, the case is super lightweight, kind of feels hollow. So if you drop these, I don't know how well they're gonna hold up. But as far as the earbuds go, they are IPX5 water resistant. So no problem using these for working out and getting some sweat on them, or if you're out and about and you get caught out in the rain, no problem there. You're not gonna be able to swim in these or take these in the shower, but a little rain, a little sweat, no problem. So the earbuds are Bluetooth 5.3 and are compatible with iOS devices and Android devices. So with Bluetooth 5.3, it's going to offer you a fast and stable connection. The company says that these should be good for about 50 feet before they start dropping out. So as far as battery life goes on these, on Amazon in the notes, it says each charge is estimated to be around 46 hours worth of playtime, and up to about 26 hours total using the case to charge. These earbuds also support fast charging, and with a quick 10-minute charge, you should be able to get another 4 hours of playtime. So overall, the battery life is pretty good. Unfortunately, the case doesn't offer wireless charging. As far as fitment goes, these fit me well. I've got no hotspot or pain anywhere, and they're lightweight, so no added strain on your ears. But you'll want to try on all the ear tips to make sure you get that nice seal. Luckily for me, the size mediums fit me nicely. And as far as sound goes, sound quality is decent. The earbuds have 10mm drivers. These get really loud and they've got a lot of bass. I mean, the mids and highs could probably use a little bit more strength, but overall in this price range, you know, $20, $30, not bad. These earbuds also offer active noise cancelling, and environmental noise control, which you normally don't see at this price point. And the ANC, it works alright. The touch controls on these earbuds also work well. You can play or pause music, skip to the next track or skip back to the previous track, answer and pick up calls, and access your voice assistant. Overall, these earbuds offer a lot of features for being a budget pair of earbuds. Alright, before I forget, let's do a quick microphone check. Hey, what is up guys? John here at Tekmogo, testing out the Achoice F1 True Wireless Earbuds. Just doing a quick microphone check. Microphone check 1, 2, microphone check 1, 2. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. I was actually pretty surprised at that. They sounded really good. So with all the positives of these earbuds, I do have one negative. The left earbud has some slight static that's loud enough to bother me. So that's something you're going to want to look out for if you end up picking these up. There's a good chance that it's just my pair, but you never know. Overall though, for being a budget pair of earbuds, they offer a lot of features. Right now, these earbuds are going for $29.99 on Amazon with 20% off, making them 24 bucks. So if you need an extra pair of earbuds or you just want another pair so that you don't end up destroying your more expensive pair when you're out and about, these may be worth looking into. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you found value in the video and like this type of content, please consider subscribing to the channel and smash that like button because it really does help out the channel. And while you're at it, hit that notification icon so you're notified anytime I post a new video. As always, I'm John at Tekmogo. I'll see you in the next one.